Nissan has introduced the all-new Elgrand premium minivan in Japan, bringing a complete redesign along with the latest third-generation e-power hybrid technology, upgraded e-Force all-wheel drive system, intelligent dynamic suspension, and a starting price of 6,897,000 yen. The new Elgrand adopts Nissan's timeless Japanese Futurism design philosophy, blending modern styling and traditional Japanese craftsmanship. Its bold front fascia features a distinctive grille inspired by the intricate Kumiko woodworking techniques, seamlessly integrated with slim signature LED headlights. At the rear, full-width combination lamps echo the same design theme, while lightweight alloy wheels with resin-finished accents create a refined handcrafted appearance. Inside, the cabin has been designed to deliver a premium lounge-like experience. Second-row occupants are treated to zero-gravity captain's chairs, while TailorFit leather upholstery, woodgrain trim, and Kumiko-inspired detail across the doors and seats enhance the luxurious atmosphere. The dashboard is dominated by a segment-first pair of 14.3-inch integrated displays that combine the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. Buyers can also opt for a Bose 22-speaker premium audio system and 64-color ambient lighting for an even more upscale experience. Powering the new Elgrand is Nissan's latest third-generation e-power hybrid system, pairing a newly developed 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine with an electric drive system. The minivan is also equipped with advanced e-Force electric all-wheel drive system, which now features enhanced rear motor torque modulation to minimize pitching during acceleration and braking, delivering smoother and more composed ride quality. Further improving comfort is Nissan's intelligent dynamic suspension, which continuously adjusts damping force at each wheel according to road and driving conditions. The system helps reduce body movement, improve stability, and enhances overall ride comfort. Drivers can also choose from 6 selectable drive modes, allowing the e-power system, e-Force drivetrain, and suspension characteristics to adapt to different driving environments and preferences.